I come into Shanghai with an high expectation to be blown. And every time, in every sense of it, no expectation is half-framed. And everything in my mind is operating at a speed of, it only has to be spectacular. Welcome to Shanghai. Ni hao. Hello, how are you?
Welcome to China.
Oh, thank you, thank you. Right, as soon as I whack out the camera out, start recording, seems like the Chinese people never cease to stop saying hi and say welcome to China. Come on, I'm Chinese. Ish. Oh, I'm so excited to be here.
Would you throw me like dirty clothes, or would we last forever? If you are not mine.
The rich had all grown richer while the poor all took a hit. And his friends were all in jail, and he lost all of his rights. And the people were divided, and the earth wasn't even fit for life. And he wanted to go back, but by then it was too late. Because stupid followed evil, and there was nowhere to escape. Cause stupid followed evil, and there was nowhere to escape.
China most influential, most happening tourist dreamland. I can easily say that, right? And it's a place, I would say, just full of so many futuristic things. And I'm seeing quite similar thing to Beijing, right? Because I live in Beijing, by the way, so yeah, what can I say? I've seen more foreigners, yeah? It's notable when you're here in the city. I mean, honestly, I'm seeing a lot of cute white chicks. Love it! What's the thing with Chinese people when they see me? Oh, they all want a piece of me desperately. Man, I ain't no Denzel Washington or Brad Pitt or, let's say, Jason Derulo or Kevin Hart kind of looking guy. But it blows their mind whenever they see me here in China. The Chinese truly love me. Yes, it feels good. Finally, someone appreciate me. Someone can see me. And I feel free in a place where even the foreigners are nice. And of course, today my fixer here in Shanghai is my good friend Harvey, who live and work here in Shanghai. And also, he's my countryman from the UK. There we go. You know who's this?
So hey, how's it going? I'm Harvey, I'm from the UK. I've been living in China now for 2 years. I've been in Shanghai for the past year. And for me, it's the best place in the world. Shanghai, best place in the world.
Yeah, what do you like so much about Shanghai?
The lifestyle, the just put me on the spot. The lifestyle for sure.
Amazing place so far. Look at this thing. How do they call them? There's like trains, isn't there? Shanghai is a mega metropolis, 29 million strong, one of the largest cities in the world. And this place is like the center of the universe. International appealing, foreigners of all kinds come here. The street signs are the name of major cities across China. They're marvelous things, they're people moving through space, the fabulous, the glamorous, the mega iconic, jaw-drop, mind-blowing in every sense, the spectacular skyline, the fine and bright sky, the blue sky, those who say this place is polluted. You're in for a shock of a lifetime. This place will confront you with a different reality of ultra-rich, ultra-modern, a mixture of whole colonial traditions, galore with a level of wealth in one of China's most important cities. So freaking bright and it's so hot right now here in Shanghai. To be honest, it's a perfect weather. And yeah, Harvey, so do you get all this amazing weather every single day? Yeah.
No, but for me, this is the best season to be in Shanghai.
Right. Right.
A little bit of Christmas in the air.
You know what this reminds me? Sorry, man. The water, the colour. Freaking London. I don't know why it's always polluted, man. It's not just Shanghai. You know, so I like to state things based on where I'm actually from, you understand? So definitely. And hello, you guys all right there? So that's the thing, and the Chinese are always curious, like they always like to be on camera. They want to steal the show for me, right? Come on, get out. And this show is Sheku and Harvey, you understand? It's my first time here, and the things I'm seeing here, Harvey is doing pretty well so far. It's showing me some hidden places, and then coming here, it's not too crowded, you know, there's not a lot of people. I think a lot of people that come here, they're still on that side, over right there, so they don't come here, and it's quite empty and quite deserted as well, just the way I like it. So yeah, Harvey, and what else, man? What else? I think let's head to the next place, isn't it? Yeah.
One thing, everyone says, you know, everyone usually has the preconception that China is super crowded and super
that's
busy.
It. That's true.
I mean,
I think it's all the time. I'll say it's like it's crowded. Maybe during national holiday.
National holidays.
Oh my goodness! I experienced that. Oh my god, in Beijing, right? It was mad. I couldn't even move. I was moving like this. I was like tiptoeing, man. It's like it was mad, man. Seriously. But yeah, like there's some places you would go, right? Oh my god, it's so empty. Look at it. This is Shanghai.
So next stop, we're gonna. Once we finish here, we're gonna jump on the subway and head over to Lujia's Way,
right?
The financial district where all of these towers are. We're gonna go around the ring road, and have a look at the towers up close,
okay,
and get another perspective.
That's good. That's good.
I came to China to learn about China, and of all the places I've been so far, yeah, in the city, I've seen the most foreigners in a single day than I did in Beijing. I mean, honestly, Beijing is a popular place, but here, oh boy, more foreigners. I mean, they're scattered everywhere. It's a foreigner-friendly place. Of course, my friend is taking me to the Starbucks place, but I ain't no coffee drinker. Tea, yes please, or maybe something light, or maybe sugary or creamy. Yeah, more like it. On the subway, on the way to Yu Garden, one of the most happening places.
Easy. Okay.
It's like I step back in time to old China, where there are beautiful things flying, smell of the good things, aromatic from a distance, and people moving, tourists, locals all colliding in such a beautiful flow. Shanghai is notoriously known for its jaw-dropping dumplings, and it's by far one of the best in the world, particularly this place. But I'm sorry, I'm skipping you for now, walking around too full to take in those bad boys. The whole and new architecture in Shanghai is truly refreshing. Yes, I'm impressed in every sense of my first time here in Shanghai. Everything I expected is truly in front of me.
Alright, so I'm on the nice looking, let's say, bridge, and I'm looking at this nice architecture, very old and ancient. Currently this place, it's a coffee shop, right? Like it's one of the oldest, I've been told. Yeah, people walking past, very curious, I want to be in the frame, smiling and all that. It's fantastic, right? Good vibe, very peaceful and tranquil, right? That's the way I like it, sleeping there. No, sorry there. Hello there. Hello everyone, how you doing? Hello there, how you doing? Look at that, got a bear there, teddy bear there. Oh, hello. Adorable, cute, love that, love to see cute. Cute is good, it's beautiful. Hello, everyone is friendly.
And yeah, even though Shanghai is a first-tier city, it is far cheaper living here compared to the UK. But for now, yeah, I will leave you with this image because Shanghai is the place you have to come and witness before you die, because it's ultra modern and of course cultural. It's a place full of rich history and there is a lot to see and do. You will not be disappointed.
I'm disappointed. Oh, I say disappointed. I know that surely it's not the way to end this chapter. No, the one thing I'll say is like here in Shanghai, it's missing that culture a little bit, right? And that rawness that you tend to find in other smaller cities, and compared to here is just so classy and it's so vibrant, and there's a lot of things here. You see people from different cultural background, but of course, and you don't see a lot of black people. Since I've been here, we are the only black people really. It's mad, isn't it, right? So yeah, but anyways, we're in China. If I want to see black people, I'll go to Africa or stay back in the UK. Anyways, right, so it's been a fun one, a fun adventure here. My first time here in Shanghai. Very impressed, very happy, and I'll see you in the next chapter, because I think there's more chapters. I don't want to make this chapter too long, right? Why am I saying a lot of chapters? Man,